Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Tab S10 Ultra and I want to show you how I'd remove magnification to this device. Starts off opening our settings application. In it, look for our accessibility and there we must open our vision, and now scroll and look for magnification. Now we must turn on our magnification shortcuts and choose how we want to activate it. Maybe by tap accessibility button, and we have new accessibility button there. To activate our magnification, we tap on it and we have it. To change position, we use two fingers and swipe with it on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out, but when you use only one finger, you can go only up and down in our magnification. You can go left and right. To turn off, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.